In this video, I will be showing you a high-level demonstration of Proofpoint Essentials, Proofpoint's cybersecurity solution for small and medium-sized businesses. After logging into Proofpoint Essentials, you are immediately presented with a Threat Insight dashboard. This dashboard provides you with visibility to recent threat activity and threat types, along with broader threat trends for your organization. The Threat Insight dashboard can be adjusted to show activity for different periods of time, and can also be exported as a PDF if you wish to share the data with other users in your organization. You can drill down on dashboard data to see a more detailed view of the corresponding activity. Here, you see a detailed list of the messages associated with the dashboard component that was clicked. This view includes various message details such as the message sender, recipients, and subject, Proofpoint's classification of the threat and associated risk, and the final destination of the message indicating whether it was delivered or quarantined. You can also click to view additional message details and take a range of additional actions on the message, such as release, block or allow the sender, as well as report the message to Proofpoint's threat research team. In addition, you can perform broader searches against all email log data, such as searching for messages by sender, recipient, or content, searching on specific users, searching on message classifications, or searching on combinations of these fields. Proofpoint Essentials comes configured with default settings in place to suit the needs of most small and medium businesses. However, you can customize these settings as needed. This includes anti-spoofing settings to determine how you handle DMARC-related issues, spam and/or bulk message settings to define sensitivity and delivery handling, URL and attachment defense settings, as well as email continuity settings. You can also configure additional organization-specific preferences, such as delivery of a quarantine digest, which can be used to provide users with a list of emails that have been quarantined, which they can review and release as needed. Use of organization allow and block lists to allow email from known senders or block email from unwanted senders. Creation of custom email filter policies to address a variety of needs, such as blocking email with certain attachment types or automatically triggering encryption when certain content is found by using predefined dictionaries and smart identifiers. And uploading your organization's logo and preferred color palette to apply company-specific branding in the console and for email-related components such as the Quarantine Digest. Proofpoint Essentials provides several methods to import users into your account, including integrations with Microsoft 365 and Microsoft Exchange, as well as additional methods such as CSV import. In today's threat landscape, threat actors are increasingly targeting people rather than infrastructure. This means that organizations need to train their users on how to identify and properly handle these types of threats. Proofpoint Essentials Security Awareness provides organizations with the training, content, and tools necessary to ensure their users are prepared. You can access Security Awareness directly within the Proofpoint Essentials interface. Here, you can create and send out phishing simulations to test your users. Proofpoint Essentials Security Awareness comes with hundreds of templates that you can use to test users against URL and attachment-based phishing attacks, as well as data entry, i.e. credential phish attacks. Proofpoint is continuously adding new templates to our security awareness offering that leverage real-world phishing lure techniques identified by Proofpoint's threat research team. Proofpoint Essentials Security Awareness also includes 45 training modules available that cover a range of security-related topics to ensure users are trained in essential security topics such as email security, avoiding dangerous attachments, data entry phishing, spear phishing threats, and many more. Detailed reporting is available for both phishing simulation campaigns and training, including additional user insights to ensure you are targeting your most vulnerable users with the right training. We hope you have enjoyed this demonstration of Proofpoint Essentials, Proofpoint's cybersecurity solution for small and medium businesses.